Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to change the language settings in the Taobao app. It's a common challenge for users who prefer the app in English or another language. Let's dive right in. Firstly, it's important to note that directly changing the language in the Taobao mobile app isn't possible as the app primarily supports Chinese. For language support, we'll need to use a workaround. The simplest way to access Taobao in English is by using the desktop version, so open your web browser and go to the Taobao website. Once the website loads, you might see a pop-up offering to translate the page. If not, click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of your browser and select Translate. Choose your desired language from the list available. After selecting your language, the website should translate. While the translation isn't perfect, it makes navigating and understanding Taobao much easier. That's how you can browse Taobao in your preferred language using the desktop site. If this tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.